Hi, welcome to my channel City Uda. Once again, I'm gonna talk about the basic of machine learning and data science. Today, I'm gonna talk about machine learning majorly. So, basically, there is like sigma, like stigma around machine learning is gonna take over the world. They are everywhere, and which is true, by the way. But what is machine learning? And let's start about how machine learning help in modern world. So recent so as you can see, I have noted down the sectors which machine learning help. Recent advancements in industries such as autonomous vehicles, accurate and rapid translation of the test into hundreds of languages, AI assistants you might find at home, like Alexa or Google Home or anything like that, or and also in worker safety improvements like IoT based safety enhancements, which many companies offer, quicker pharmaceutical design and development. In medical also, AI has machine learning has a big role which people are not aware of, but companies like Apollo and Virgin Airlines work together in medical industries and help uh, like in enhancement of their facilities to a great extent. So that's it. And there are a lot of other aspects where machine learning can help actually, like in our daily uh, shopping cart analysis or anything like that. It's a broad spectrum, but to be honest, these are the main points that need to be covered while we are like digging into machine learning. And let's see what is machine learning. It's nothing but, in simpler words, it's trained models to detect patterns. So there is a model for everything, and there's a pattern for everything. So right, so when we wake up, we brush our teeth and we take breakfast. Like, we don't take breakfast and then brush our teeth. So we first brush our teeth and then take breakfast. So that's a pattern of our daily routine, which we don't think about like clean teeth and breakfast before eating breakfast. Like we first clean our teeth and then we eat breakfast. So that's a pattern of human daily routine. So, and how does it help in machine learning? I'll say, like it's a thought based machine learning analysis. Like first we smile and then look in the mirror and then uh, look at ourselves, like dig deep into ourselves, and then we brush our teeth and then we eat breakfast. So yeah, that's a part of a pattern, and of that is also a pattern detected by machine learning. Then what has to do with other stuff, like you know uh, we detect how a human being lives, and then we dig deep into their daily routines, and then we enhance our shopping list accordingly, right? So that's a e-com machine learning agenda, you can say. But let's talk about definitions of AI and machine learning. AI is broad capabilities of machine learning. AI is artificial intelligence. It's like a machine who helps in detecting the patterns. AI is also a machine and also a human being, maybe, or anything that helps detect the patterns, right? It sees an overall picture of the um, of the technology and then builds the mechanisms accordingly. Machine learning is how computer learn patterns to discover patterns and predictions. So machine learning helps the computers to learn the patterns and discover and make predictions. Super, there are three types of machine learning mainly. So supervised learnings are based on labels, like we already know the factors, like for a grocery shopping, we already know what are we gonna buy and then we buy it, right? We don't go to the shop, and however that's another aspect. We go to the shop and also see and buy. But supervised learning is majorly like grocery shopping. We first make a list and label the list and then buy the shopping, then do the shopping. Unsupervised learning is the point where we decide on spot what to buy. Like, it is the point where we decide on spot what to buy, or we see a thing and we like it and then we buy it. It's not decided beforehand, like it was not in the list. And what is reinforcement learning? So reinforcement learning, suppose there was a flood in your village, and you have to learn what can be done to prevent the flood, right? You cannot just make the nature change its mind, but you can always make a better fence around it. So that we can call reinforcement learning. So these are the three main aspects of machine learning that we need to then we need to categorize. First is supervised machine learning, where we can make a list and then shop. Unsupervised machine learning, where we go on spot and decide what to shop, like it was not decided at all. And reinforcement learning, where we can always prevent build a better fence, and then we can prevent the flood from damaging our houses. So that's about it, the introduction of machine learning. I'll keep posting on my channel, CT Yoda. Keep learning and keep growing.